Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This video is about 10 needs to be a successful private detective. If you want to build a career as a private detective, or you might be interested in investigating or detecting cases related to missing person, criminal or civil or banking or infidelity or insurance or divorce or corporate, but you should know some basic qualities, skills, knowledge which you should have to become a successful private detective. Please watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. Meanwhile, I request you to please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tips on education, job, career with analysis, tips, alerts, expert advice and good suggestions. Let us go to the video. First need to become a successful detective is to have or to get basic knowledge and or qualification in criminology, civil, corporate laws or any other laws in which you are interested or in which you want to build a career as a detective agent. You can acquire this knowledge or qualification from a recognized university by joining a reputed college, or you can even join a correspondence course or online courses which are available. So without basic knowledge qualification, it will be very difficult for you to become a successful detective. So legal knowledge is basic and important need to be a or to become a successful detective. Second important need or a skill a detective should have is knowledge of human psychology and body language. Human psychology is a branch of psychology concerned with the study of the human mind, their psychological outlook or their mental characteristics. There are a lot of YouTube videos on the subject human psychology. Please go through it and understand what is human psychology. And the next skill you should have is you should be able to read the body language. Body language is the range of non-verbal signals that one uses to communicate feelings and intentions, which include their posture, their facial expressions and hand gestures. A detective should be able to understand and interpret body language of the persons, which can help a detective to pick up on unspoken issues or negative feelings in others. For example, a detective cannot trust all the statements of a person because he might be telling a lie, which a detective can detect by the body language of that person. From the body language, a detective can and will come to know whether what he is or she is saying is a true or a lie. Third important skill or a need a detective should have is some basic skills which are analytical, observation, decision making and problem solving. If a detective is analytical, he or she is good at taking a problem or task and breaking it down into smaller elements to solve the problem or complete the task which he or she has taken. Next is observation skill. Observation is an action or process of carefully watching someone or something Detective might have to follow somebody to get information like what they are doing, where they are going, whom they are meeting, and some other information also. Next is decision making. It is a process of identifying your problems, opportunities, and selecting a course of action to deal with a specific problem or take advantage of an opportunity. A detective should also be able to solve problems which he or she might come across before, while or after completing the investigation. Problem solving is the act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying it, prioritizing and selecting alternative solutions, and implementing a solution. So these are the basic skills which a detective should definitely have before start investigating any case. Next skill a detective should have is to have good communication skills. A detective should be able to convey or share ideas and feelings effectively. Communication skill is the ability a detective should have when giving and receiving different kinds of information. It also involves listening, speaking, observing, and empathizing. Communicating effectively is a most important soft skill a detective should definitely possess nowadays. The main intent is to convey messages to other people clearly and simply. It is about receiving information that other people convey to the person. So, a detective should be able to communicate effectively in any languages, and also it is better to know more than two languages, and a detective should be able to speak very fluently in 2-3 languages to get the information which the detective needs. And the next need is a detective should have the willingness to work in odd and long hours. Depending upon the cases, a detective should be ready to work any time or any number of hours, whether it's a day or night. They cannot have a scheduled working hours, as it totally depends upon the cases which may differ from one another. Next important quality a detective should have after completing the investigation is report writing. A report is written for a specific audience, that is, client of the detective. The report writing must always be accurate and objective. It should be very simple and in a very easy to understand language, and also should contain those information which the client expected about the case. So report writing needs lot of practice, and a detective should make a number of rough drafts to finally prepare a very good report for his client to clearly know about the issue or the problem or the information which the client expected. Next important quality a detective should have is investigation techniques and interview tactics. Investigation is the act or process of investigating or careful search or examination to discover facts or any other information. A detective should know the process of investigating any case for his client. He also should have some interview tactics to question the persons involved in the case. A detective should know when, how, and where he has to conduct the interview and or to question the persons involved in the case. The person should not get suspected that the detective is conducting investigation or detecting the case for the client. Next important need is maintaining confidentiality. A detective should not disclose about the case to any persons other than his client. From beginning till the end of the case, he should maintain 100% confidentiality and submit a confidential report to the client. To be competitive in the market, the service charges of the detective should be reasonable, but at the same time should provide good quality service to the clients. Depending upon the cases, the service charges should be affordable by all, irrespective of the background of the clients a detective comes across. If the service charges are reasonable, more and more customers will approach the detective. Hope you have understood the 10 needs a detective should have to be successful.